Right, welcome back to the Dales. I'm still looking for seals and tokens. Now this field is right down by the mill, just on the other side of the river. Hopefully there'll be something. I've come through the gate and I got a penny. So we got a coin already. Now, first time I've had one of them. You've all heard of 12-bore shotguns. Well, this is a 4-bore. Much bigger. Much bigger. They used it for ducks. And of course we're on the river, look. So they came duck hunting here with these huge 4-bore. My uncle had one down in Norfolk, and it was on a punt. And when he fired it, the punt went backwards. These have got quite a kick with them. They're like elephant cartridges under the shot. Now that's decoration for something. It's the odd bit stuff here, but no tokens and no seals this side of the river. Not yet, anyway. A draw handle. Never ceases to amaze me how many draw handles I find. I must have had hundreds scattered out in the field. Okay, I got a proper coin. Bronze, Young Head Victoria, and it is, if I can read that, 1866. Bit worn, but still nice. It's not corroded. Nice soil here. Halfpenny, undeterminate age, and a token. There's nothing on it, but that is definitely a lead trading token. Yes, camera's playing up, so I'm going to do these in bunches. Big chunk of, I think it's lead, a ring and a half P. About circa 1970, something like that. Right, just coming through these woods, give these a quick once over. Got a lighter, old petrol lighter. Really is a magical place, England, you know. There's a little fairy well here. Just filling the trough, enough for the animals. And on the horizon there's a gnarled old tree. Fairies and goblins roam the land here. Oh, it's getting hot. Sun's starting to come through the clouds. Oh, I can't do with it all. I've come back where I found those 1799 coins and that alleged silver love token. And how's about that? How is about that for a shoe buckle, eh? What a belter. Oh, a belt? Is it a belt? Not likely a shoe. Hey, good one. What could be nicer? Out in the country, toddling about. There's the lake, there's the estate, grounds. Here's the paddock where the peasants lived and lost their 1799 half pennies, Georgian. That's 3 out of here now. Nice one, eh? Oh, and there's a cool breeze. The sun's come out. I don't care for that much, but there's a nice breeze blowing over this wall off the lake. Beautiful. Couple of Vicky there. get them in the sun. 1873, 1874 bronze pennies. They should clean up well. Every time I get something, I retreat into the shade of this tree. This beautiful ash tree. Oh, which is big. Bigger than I thought. Oh, lots of trees around here. Lots of beautiful hillsides. Friendly people. Nice. Now I think that could be part of a cloth bale seal that a travelling salesman used. There's another bit goes in the middle, and It's used to hold the cloth open while he cuts it for the farmer's wife. I think it could very well be that. Another very nice George 3 look. Halfpenny. And guess what? 17.99. That's 4 of them from just round here. 2 from just there, 1 from here, and 1 from there. I'm looking for tokens, really. Now that was deep. You're talking about 10 inch for what I presume is a 75-ish George 3rd halfpenny. Very warm, can't tell what it is. But it be deep. A bell loom weight, I think. But it's quite unlike anything that comes from the mill. It could be a local farmer's one, farmer's wife job. Here we go, CB, here's one for you. It's the size of a halfpenny, sort of, but it's not a halfpenny. And it's not Vicky. So there you go. Give us your best shot. Right, that's a footpath down to my car. Working my way home. I can't decide whether to come 3 sweeps out, because I've done 2. Let's go straight down. Or to have just a look over here and then come down diagonally. I think I'll do that. Spoiled for choice. Hey, £1 coin. Spendies. Apart from 1 bronze halfpenny, everything on here has been decimal on this bit of path. Oh well. Thank you. Right, I'm back to the gate. Look, 5p right in front of the gate. That's what I'm going to end on. I'll see you at the roundup. I've had a good hunt, but I'm looking for fields with seals in, and I'm not finding them on this side of the river. Oh well. Hello, welcome to the roundup. As you're aware, I'm going out every day and I'm looking for seals, Russian flax seals. But I've been working, I've got to conclude, I'm on the wrong side of the river. There aren't any. I haven't found 1 on this side of the river. But I'm having a good hunt nevertheless, and I'm finding a fair bit of stuff, so I shouldn't complain, but I do, I'm an Englishman. Let's have a look what we found today. An old petrol lighter, a drawer handle. This is a decoration of something, but what? I have no idea. I like this. This is a 4-bore cartridge, shotgun cartridge, and they're huge. These are elephant guns, are these, but they haven't got a single bullet in, which would drop an elephant. They're full of shot, and they take out, you know, they wait for a flock of ducks and they go boom, and half of the ducks have gone. Really big stuff, and they've got a kick like a mule. They put them in a punt usually, these guns, and then load them up and fire them, and the punt goes backwards, boom, when it goes off. Break your shoulder, these things. Lead, plenty of lead. Normally lead, it's folded up in strips, but here, for some reason, this is an old piece of lead, you can tell by the colour. It's rolled. Round here, they seem to roll their lead rather than fold it. Why, I don't know. This is for holding your trousers up. Your braces. You've got 1 strap comes off the bottom and you've got 2 come off the top. And it's up for holding up your pants. Buttons. Oh, disgusting ones today. Yesterday they were brilliant, today disgusting. Loom weight, I think. It's bell weight, look. quite unlike anything that's coming out of the mill. Buckle, whoa, nice one. That is one, nice, nice, nice. I think it's a shoe buckle. Nice, big. Also, normally I don't get these, but these pieces are buckles. Look, you can see it's a buckle. Really ornate, fancy little buckles. They would have been nice, but they're in pieces. Another one here. Oh, lods and sods, all coming out of that sort of one paddock where I got the coins. And talking the coins, look, a halfpence ranging from 1970, a 1 pence, a 5 pence and a pound coin, 1997. Again, a halfpenny in disgusting condition. I have no idea who it is or when it is. Difference, the pennies. Up in the paddock I was working, 1874, look. Victorian, 1873, 1866. They're not bad bronzes, those. Over here there's this, I'm convinced this is a cloth bale holder. There's another piece slots in here and it pins your cloth open so you can measure it out and cut it off. I'm sure it is. Anybody want to tell me different? Go ahead. Now, name tag bought, but what? It's gone, look. Here's gone, just left with these mysterious squiggles. Oh, that date underneath. I don't know. I just think it's illusion. They're like 1799 coins up there, I'll tell you. George III. Actually, they're not coming out, yeah, they're pretty good, look, they're readable. Georgius III, Die, Gratia, Rex. George III. By the grace of God, King. Oh, forgot me Latin then. And you can tell these, they got this circular bit underneath Britannia with the date, 1799. And they are the same size as a bronze penny. Whereas your 1806 Georges are smaller, much smaller. Now, here. Believe it or not, you can actually see George on there. Look at it. Wafer thin. And it's George 1, 2, 3 up there, look. It's George III. And there he is, if you can sort of, he's facing to the right, if you squid your eyes up a bit. And it's about 1775-ish. Now, one for you here, CB. What on earth is this? Is very familiar. I would have thought George first, but he's facing the wrong way. Maybe it's not cleaned up right. Maybe it's just a weirdie. But no clues on this side. It's been stamped. But there you go. He looks very familiar, but I have no idea. And, well, the success for the day. I actually found a lead trading token. You can see the shine on it. I haven't lacquered this or anything. Somehow they managed to polish the lead on these things. And they're old, which is why the lead goes white. I can't, unless that's someone sat down there. But you mind, you know, your eyes start playing tricks with these things. that it's worn beyond whatever. But nevertheless, that is a trading token. I've had 70 from up there, so I know it is. It's the only thing I found on the other side of the river. So it was a good hunt. At least the sun stayed in most of the time, but when it come out, my God, it was hot. And that field was in an ideal situation on the brow of the hill, and the cool air was washing up from the lake, and at times it was very pleasant. So I'm glad you could join me. I think I've had enough of the other side of the river. I want Russian lead seals, and I'm not getting them over there. So I'm going to go back to where I'm getting them, where I know they are. Actually, I have a few more fields lined up to have a look at. So, they are, CB. What do you make of that? You take care. Thanks for joining me. Hope to see you next time. Bye.